everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. A couple of weeks ago we went and got some Chinese food, and of course that included crab rangoons, and we love crab rangoons. And over the ensuing days between then and now, I thought, what if we made crab rangoons but substituted the crab with mushrooms, because who doesn't like mushrooms? We love them. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to make mushroom rangoons. So let's get cooking. Alrighty, and so here are the ingredients. Very simple. We got 2 full-fat 8-ounce bricks of Philadelphia cream cheese that we've set out for a couple hours now so they can get softened. We got Italian flat leaf parsley, wonton wrappers. I'm going to utilize portobello mushrooms, which I'm going to mince up, and we got some boursin crumbles, caramelized onion and herb flavor. Okay, so let's get cooking. In an enameled skillet like this with some olive oil, we are going to put the minced 1 pound of portobellos, and we are going to cook the water out of them. After a couple minutes on medium-high heat, you can see how much they've reduced and how much water is coming out. That's exactly what we want, because we don't want all that water in our little rangoonies. Now, while we're cooking to that, we're going to add a generous tablespoon of Cheater's garlic and keep cooking. And now you can see that 99% of the water is evaporated, so we're going to turn them off and set them off to the side to cool. Alright, so while the mushrooms are cooling, we got the 12 ounces of boursin, caramelized onion and herb, 16 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, flat leaf parsley, and now we're going to mash it into a matrix. So the matrix is well made now and fully combined. Let's add the cooled off mushrooms, which smell very good with that garlic. Very, very tasty. And once we add all these mushrooms in there, we're going to combine that in the matrix as well. Okay, with the mushrooms well blended in there, I also didn't mention that while they were cooking down in the skillet, I put in 1 teaspoon salt and black pepper with the mushrooms. So let's build the wontons. We've got a bowl of water there, the wonton wrappers here, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to put a wonton wrapper down. We're going to take a nice amount of the matrix, and then we're going to wet the wrappers all the way around, and this will allow them to seal, I hope, so we don't get a blowout. Well, we've already got a blowout, but that's okay. Get back in there. I never promised them to be beautiful, but they're going to be tasty. And so that's how you build a wonton. Let's make a bunch and then fry them up. And we're frying these babies in canola oil. These triangles are kind of awkward to flip over, but I managed to do it with this scoop thing here. Looking good so far. These traditionally shaped ones are definitely going to be a lot easier to flip over. Well, actually, no, they weren't any easier to flip over, but what the hey. I kind of think I like the triangular ones better. I have cheated and already tasted one, and they are amazing. Here we have a platter of delicious mushroom rangoons. I've got another tray warming in the oven of the traditional rangoony shape. They didn't come out as pretty as these. These aren't that pretty either, but whatever, it's the flavor. Let me tell you, I've tried them. They're delightful. Crab rangoon has always seemed to me to be a little on the sweet side. I am convinced that the oriental restaurants put sugar in them. These are not. There is no sweetness at all. It's 100% umami. And let me tell you what kind of umami that is. Delightful umami. Mushrooms and boursin and cream cheese. Oh, no need for a dipping sauce. Volcanically hot. Very tasty. I like the parsley. The mushroom flavor came through very well. And you could add any flavor of Boursin cheese, but I like the caramelized onion and herb. That really came out very well. Yeah. I do this again, except I will admit I hate building each one individually. I wish I had some youngsters around that I could put to work and have them prepare them, put them together. But otherwise, they're delicious. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.